Your customers need to log in and then access the library to be able to access your course. You'll come over to a website and design. And if you haven't already chosen a theme, you'll need to go ahead and choose one. Whether or not your website is on here or not, you have to have a theme chosen, because what it'll do is create these system pages under website pages. And the system pages that you're going to be using are library and login. What happens is when someone purchases from you, they'll automatically be transferred over to the library page. The library is where all the purchases they've made from you are located. And the login is where they would come if they were after they've purchased and they're coming back a second time to your website. They'd first go to the login page, access that, and then go to the library and then be able to access everything from there. So you'll need to update both of these pages. In particular, let me go ahead and open the login page. Now with the website pages, anytime you update the header or the footer on one of them, it goes ahead and changes on all of them. So you only have to do it once. You'll come in here, put your logo in there, fix up your menu here, choose whatever menu you're using. You can add social links up here if you'd like. If not, you can also put them in the footer or not have them at all. And down here, you don't necessarily have to have your logo twice. Actually, you don't usually have it twice. You usually just have it at the top, and at the bottom here where the copyright is, you want to click there because it defaults at Kajabi, and put in your business name there. This is kind of it for the actual login page. They'll come in, fill in their name and password. If they say that they never received the login information, or they've never logged in before and they're asking you to help them, all you need to do is send them this link, and I'll show you how to grab that in a second. And they can click forgot password down here at the bottom and reset it themselves. So you won't be doing any resetting of anybody's passwords. They can take care of it themselves. If you'd like to change any of this, you come over here, just click on it, roll down to language. And that's where you have the option to change any of the wording you'd like. And get out of this page, we'll go back to pages. And if you want to grab the URL to send to somebody, you'll just log in here, roll over here, go to 3 dots, copy URL. And there's the library is the other page. And depending on what theme you chose, it sort of populates itself. This one has this giant picture here, and all the programs you've created are down here. And realize that the people visiting your library page, first of all, they can only access it if they're a customer and they're logged in. So they can't stumble upon it. It'll just go default over to the login screen. And they'll only see the items they purchased from you. So if you have, 100 items in here and they only purchase one, they'll just see that one here. The others will not even appear. And often these are part of the template, so you can just delete them by clicking outside of it, and you can see it's text, and then 3 offers. We're just going to delete that section. Simple as that. And we're going to go ahead and delete offer collection B as well. Delete. And I personally don't like people to see the member directory and all that, so I delete that as well. And I find this block right here just to be not helpful, because people are like, I don't understand, because it's way down here. So I personally don't even use this. I delete that block as well. So I keep it super simple. I even get rid of this resume course over here because oftentimes it doesn't apply. You can just uncheck that box. So now I just have my header. If you want to change the name of this there, and then all my programs I've created are here. If you want to change the look of those, you can just click here. Actually, I need to roll down. I have the option of a 2-column grid, which is what it is now, or a 3-column grid, which is 3, or you can do a list. Whoops, with a list, which looks like that. So choice. And you can come in and change the colors back here by going to settings and style guide. You can see the colors there you can change. And that's about it.